Web of control. How young people navigate potential constraints. In our everyday lives, we face control from all angles. This influence comes not only from people around us but also from advertisements, various software applications, and the pervasive presence of social media. These entities seek to control your intentions, your wallet, and even your thoughts. Young people react strongly against this control, with many trying to resist these constraints. However, young people often lack the capacity to confront this control and end up struggling. Some individuals who have endured this environment appear to accept control on the surface, yet internally, they continue to resist. These individuals learn to outwardly yield to control while maintaining an inner resolve to fight back. They understand their limitations and thus choose to endure for the time being. This contradiction provokes reflection. How can young people find balance between being controlled and resisting? How can they maintain autonomy without becoming caught in an ongoing struggle? These questions challenge not only young people but also society's understanding of freedom and control. As technology rapidly evolves, forms of control continue to change. Advertising and social media influence our consumption habits and values through targeted content. Software applications gather data and peer into our lives. These emerging methods of control present unprecedented challenges for young people. How can they balance privacy protection with the pursuit of personalized experiences? This is a major issue in today's society. Nonetheless, young people are not powerless. They can enhance their autonomy by improving their media literacy, understanding legal protections, and finding like-minded communities. In this age of information overload, maintaining a clear mind and learning to discern true from false information are vital skills for resisting control. Meanwhile, society must also reflect on the relationship between control and freedom. Regulatory and legislative bodies should ensure that while maintaining social order, they also protect individual freedoms and rights. Only in such a balanced environment can young people truly pursue self-development and value fulfillment. Young people should continually contemplate how to find their stance between control and resistance. They can cultivate self-awareness and learn to recognize and navigate different forms of control to maintain their autonomy. By uniting with other young people, they can seek solutions together and form a collective effort against control. This collective effort not only helps young people achieve personal freedom but can also drive society towards a more open and transparent future. Young people should actively participate in social affairs, pushing for reform and progress through collective action. Such engagement can free them from constraints and bring positive change to society as a whole. Finally, let's consider, in this era full of challenges and opportunities, how can young people find their direction within the web of control? Can they pursue autonomy while maintaining a sense of social responsibility? These questions deserve our deep reflection and continued exploration. Finding a balance between control and resistance is both a challenge for young people and a test for society. Only through consistent thought and action can we create a freer and fairer future for young people and the whole of society.